To nurture gratitude and share final thoughts, may we call on our school principal too, Mr. Ruel S. Larit, for the closing remarks.
To our dear parents, guardians, and the entire Lendi National High School community, today is not just about medals and certificates. It is about the quiet resilience and the loud dreams that brought us all to this moment. My special and sincerest thanks sa ating mga stakeholders and visitors, sa ating guest speaker, Madam Rowena Rivadiniera Globio, at sa kanyang mga magulang at pamilya, sa ating iginagalang na kapitan ng Barangay Landi, Honorable Armando Pedregal, at sa kanyang buong sanggunian, gayon din sa iba pang mga kapitanes ng mga barangay na nagtitiwala sa ating paaralan. Sa ating very supportive PTA President, Ginang Benilyn Alba, at sa lahat ng kanyang mga opisyales, sa ating Landi National High School Alumni Association led by the President, Engineer Floro Irihensya, at sa kanyang mga opisyales, kinaginang Luciana Peregrine, Miles Monteloyola, at sa mga Board of Directors. Isa na dito ang ina ng ating guest speaker, Ginang Adela Rivadiniera, at sa kanyang mga kasamahan. Siyempre sa ating butihing Mayor, Honorable Marisa Red Martinez, at sa buong sangguniang bayan na kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi magiging masigasig ang ating mga mag-aaral na makipagtunggali sa mga competitions. At naging matagumpay ang lahat ng mga proyekto dito sa ating paaralan nitong nakaraang 2025-2026. Kay Dr. Andres Lubid, Municipal Administrator, for always supporting me and the entire school. Sa PNP, BFP, Health, DRRM, Finance, and all other departments of our LGU not mentioned, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Batid at damako ang inyong suporta at tulong sa aming mga mag-aaral. To our students, thank you for your curiosity, your perseverance, and for showing us every day that future is in capable hands. You have navigated challenges with grace, and we are immensely proud of the people you are becoming. To the parents and guardians, thank you for being the silent pillars of this institution. Your sacrifices, the early mornings, and the unwavering belief in your children's potential are the foundation upon which their success is built. We are honored to be your partners in this journey. And to my fellow educators, my co-teachers, thank you for your support, for your heart. You don't just teach lessons, you shape lives. Your dedication ensures that Lendi National High School remains a sanctuary of learning and growth. As we bring this ceremony to a close, I want to leave our awardees with one thought. A medal is a beautiful reminder of where you have been, but your character is the compass that will tell you where you are going. Go out into the world and continue to be kind. Stay curious and never be afraid to fail. For every setback is simply a setup for a stronger comeback. As you leave these halls today, carry the pride of Landi National High School in your hearts. May you always find the courage to chase your brightest stars. Congratulations, everyone. To God be all the glory. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Larit, for those encouraging words. To our awardees, parents, teachers, and guests, thank you for being part of this meaningful celebration.
Once again, congratulations to all our awardees. May today's recognition inspire you to continue striving for excellence.